So now I am going to demonstrate how to install Kafka and RabbitMQ in Windows. So first natong himuon is to download or installing Kafka. So first that we should to do is download the Java versions JDK in Oracle website. So search the Oracle Java Oracle. So click this, then click download Java. So there is three options: JDK 6, 25, 21. So choose the JDK version 26. Then look in the Windows and find the installer and download it. So after that, so open this. Click yes. Yes. Just click yes and wait. So welcome to students. So next, yes, next, click next. So while waiting download the Kafka and the website, search Kafka and click this, then click download and find the version 3.92 in binary downloads. Then download this Scala 2.13 na versions, this. So downloads. So sa Oracle, since humanat ta sa Oracle, so sa Java nga JDK, so click close, then add to sa CMD. After that, then command a Java version to check your Java versions. So as you can see, I have Java version 26. This dapat na mugawas yun siya guys before installing the Kafka. So na naman ta na, so click X, then ato adin tong Kafka na inyong i-download, then open it, or wait, then click the file locations. Then after this, click the extract also. So since I have already Kafka files na naka-located na sa C Windows, so mo na to on. So first dapat mo muna ni is to extract the file, then after sa pag-extract is add to din sa files location na imong gibutang. So ang ako na sa Windows C. So click sa Kafka, then Kafka 3. Ben window. So after this, search the CMD sa upper right sa file. So as you can see, I have a command here. So to start the Zookeeper, so command this. So yan, dapat inani ang mugawa sa inyo hang Zookeeper nga pag-start, and then back dayon dito then do it again, and then to start the Kafka, you need to command it sa CMD. So, dapat sa pag-start sa Kafka, ingani dapat ang mulabas sa CMD. So, after that, if you want to try the producer and consumer, so, atong himuon is, inatog yapon do it again. So, ayan click CMD, then, copy the so humana. So after that para sa producer, mag-start ang producer para sa traffic. So okay, command it. So done. So after this, for consumer, so kailangan mo mabalik dito sa Windows, ay dito sa file explorer, then do it again, then RCMD, natog yapon, balik lang siya guys. Then for CMD, so na so mao man ning gaina so atong i-try na. So can't, for example, write a can't message can't. So as you can see na siya. So muni ang example kung unsaon pag-install sa Kafka sa Windows 11 o unsaon og pag-setup. So next atong imoon is to download a RabbitMQ. So next, RabbitMQ. So now, for installing a RabbitMQ, next na tong himuon is to search the Erlang OTP, and then click the download window installer, then choose the 64 versions. So since I have already an OTP win nga files, X file, and next ating download the RabbitMQ. Then as you can see, inani ang mulabas. Then dapat imong pangitaon diri is katong download on GitHub Windows installer. Click the Windows installer, then automatic download na siya. So since naman tayo inani nga mga files, ang ato na himuon is pangitaon tong kaning nga files. So since nara siya, so atong himuon is to click this, open this. So nara siya. So click next lang ni siya guys. Next. So siya. So i-wait lang nato. So since na naman tayo inani ang magawas guys, kay na naman naka-set up namdaan sa to ang device. So if you are watching this, dapat kailangan niyo ni sundon, next lang niyo, din pag ma-complete na, i-close lang. So i-abort lang nako, kay na naman ko ani. So next ato mo is to download the RabbitMQ. Since na nabukoy download the RabbitMQ, mo na siya magawas na nakoy RabbitMQ. And if you are watching this video, after nga ma-complete og download ang RabbitMQ or ma-open nimo siya, next lang nimo siya, then after naman na makabutang completed, so i-close lang nimo. Then after that, add to sa search menu and type a RabbitMQ command prompt is BINDIR nga kuan versions. So click lang ni guys, then click yes, and then command it RabbitMQ. done, na-configure na siya. Then after, from this RabbitMQ, service start. So, mana siya guys. Then after, matuta sa website. Then i-search nimo iyang localhost, which is the 5, wait lang. 15672. Wait na. So, mo na siya guys. So mo ni ang sample kung saan pag-install sa Kafka and RabbitMQ. Thank you guys for watching.